Good morning, students. Welcome back to 10th class English. The name of the story is The Village George. We have already discussed the three parts of the story and also discussed the questions and answers given in the text. Today we shall start or we shall discuss the fourth part of the story. Yes, 4. When Algu asked for price of his bullock, you remember, Algu Chaudhary had sold his bullock to Samju Sahu, and Samju Sahu had promised to pay the price within a month. But as Sahu made the bullock work hard and did not take its proper care, the bullock died. When Algu asked for the price, for the price of his bullock, ବଳଦର ପଇସାଟା ମାଗିଲା, both husband and wife, Sahu and his wife said angrily, ରାଗରେ କହିଲେ, could understand, this is amazing, କି ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ କଥା, he gave as a dying bullock, ଗୋଟେ ମଲା ବଳଦଟି ଦେଇ ପକେଇଲା, and now wants the price for it, ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ପଇସା ମାଗୁଛି. Who said it? Both Sahu and his wife. Algu had many enemies. Enemies Satru. Who had many enemies? Algu Chaudhary had many enemies in the village. They too gathered and helped Sahuji. They too gathered. ସେମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ gathered ଜମା ହେଲେ and helped Sahuji and were in support of Sahuji. They said that Sahuji was right. Algu was helpless. ଉପାସୀନ ହେଇଗଲା, ନିଃସହାୟ ହେଇଗଲା. But how could he lose 150 rupees? It's not a joke. In those days, 150 rupees is not a joke. It is a big amount. So, Algu, how could he lose 150 rupees? He lost his temper. Who lost his temper? Algu lost his temper. That means he got angry. Ragiala. The good people of the village gathered. The good people, there were bad people and also good people. The good people of the village gathered around, charipote gathered jama agale and advised them to take the matter to the panchayat. It's better you take the matter to the panchayat. Why are you quarreling, fighting here? Now take this matter to the panchayat and the panchayat will decide it. They advised both of them. Both Algu and Sahuji agreed to this. Could understand who agreed? Both Algu and Sahuji agreed to the proposal, good man's proposal. 3 days after this, এই ঘটনার 3 দিন পরে the panchayat again met and this is same tree. Again, the panchayat was called and the panchayat again met under the same tree. আর 3 ଦିନ ପରେ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ବସିଲା. Yes, now let's move to the next page. And who should be the pancha? Someone asked Algu. From the member of the panchayat, someone asked Algu who should be the pancha. Algu replied, let Sao have his own choice. When someone in the panchayat or someone asked Algu who the pancha should be, Algu replied, and Algu left it for Sao to choose a pancha. Sao stood, Samju stood and thundered. Thundered means ghadaghadi nada re कहला. Said in a loud voice. Samju stood and said in a loud voice like a thunder. Juman Sheikh on my be help. Mo tarafaru Juman Sheikh will be pancha. Juman was at first surprised. Who was surprised? Juman was surprised and then began to think to himself. Nije nije bhabila. First आश्चर्य ହେଲା who? Juman, and then began to think to himself. ନିଜେ ଭାବିଲା, I am now a judge. Whatever I say now, ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯାହା କହିବି will be the voice of God. ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହିବି ସେଇଟା ଭଗବାନଙ୍କର ସ୍ୱର ସଦୃଶ୍ୟ. Who said it? Who thought it? Juman thought it. I should stick it to this truth. ମୁଁ ସତ୍ୟ ସହିତ ଲାଖି ରହିବି. And nothing but the truth. ମୁଁ ସତ କଥା କହିବି, ସତ୍ୟ ବ୍ୟତୀତ ଅନ୍ୟ କିଛି କହିବି ନାହିଁ. Who thought it? Juman thought it. First he was surprised, but then he began to think like this and promised to stick to the truth and nothing but the truth. ସତ୍ୟ କଥାକୁ ଆଗ stick ହେଇ ରହିବ, ସତ୍ୟ ବ୍ୟତୀତ ଅନ୍ୟ କୌଣସି କଥା କହିବନି ହେଲେ he was determined. The elders put many questions to both the parties. ଉଭୟ ପକ୍ଷକୁ the elders ବୟସ୍କ ମାନେ put many questions, asked a lot of questions. At last Juman gave the decision. At last who gave the decision? Juman. Now let's see what kind of judgment or decision did Juman give. Let's see what kind of decision judgment Juman give. Algu Chaudhary and Samji Sao, the elders have considered, vichar karichandi, have considered. The elders have considered your case. Tamaro mamala mokodama vichar karichanti. The elders have considered your case carefully. बहुत भाविचिंती विचार करिसंती. Who said it? Juman said it. Who have considered the case? The elders. Samju ought to pay the full price of the bullock. This is the decision of the panchayat. That Samju ought to pay the full price of the bullock. Bullock रा पूरा पैसा टा दे दवा पड़ियो बोली the panchayat, the panchayat have decided. The bullock died only because it was driven too hard and no proper arrangement was made to feed it. Why? Because the bullock died only because it was driven too hard, it was made work hard. बहुत परिश्रम कठिन परिश्रम कराइता तादला बोझ बुझा आइतला बुआ चलतिला and no proper arrangement was made to feed it. ताकू खाया पई सुबंदोबस्त करा जाई नथिला. So Samju Sao ought to pay the full price of the bullock. Algu Chaudhary was happy. Who was happy? Algu Chaudhary was happy. It is natural. Anyone can be happy if right judgment is given. He got up. Who got up? Algu Chaudhary got up. Chidal and gave a louder cheer. What a cheer they party gala. Kono party gala. Long live the God. That is the Pancha. Aku kuajaye Pancha. Jindabad. Bhagavan Jindabad. That is the Pancha. Long live the God. That is the Pancha. Ei Pancha. ସବୁଦିନ ପାଇଁ ରହୁ ଇଏ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଗଡ୍ ପଞ୍ଚ ଯିଏକି ଭଗବାନ ସଦୃଶ୍ୟ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଲିଭ୍ ଦୀର୍ଘାୟୁ ହଉ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ସେ ଅଲଗୁ ଚୌଧୁରୀ ପ୍ରେଇଜ୍ଡ ଗ୍ଲୋରିଫାଇଡ୍ ଦି ପଞ୍ଚ and its decision and wished its longevity. Yes. Now let's move to the next page. Yes. After a short while, I have already told you what is a short while. Kichi kyana pore. After a short while, Juman approached Algu and embraced him. Could understand? After a short while, the decision was given. After the decision was given, Juman went to Algu and embraced him, hugged him. ତାକୁ ଆଲିଙ୍ଗନ କଲା କୋଳିକି ଧରି ପକେଇଲା. He said, brother, ଭାଇ, after you gave your decision, I had become your mortal enemy. ମୁଁ ତୋର ଶତ୍ରୁ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲି. ତୁ ତୋର ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ଦେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ I thought you were my enemy and I became your mortal enemy. But today I feel after you gave your decision, I had become your mortal enemy. But today I feel sure that God himself speaks through the Pancha. Kintu aji I feel ମୁଁ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛି ହୃଦୟଙ୍ଗମ କରୁଛି that God himself speaks through the Pancha. ଭଗବାନ ପଞ୍ଚର କଣ୍ଠରେ ବସିକରି କୁହନ୍ତି. And on that day you did not say, God said sitting in your throat. Algu broke down. Hangi bolda. The tears washed away all the dust in their eyes. That means this incident opened the eyes of both the parties. The tears washed away, tears rolled down and it washed away, ଧୋଇଦେଲା all the dust in their eyes. ତାଙ୍କ ଆଖିରେ ପଡ଼ିଥିବା ସମସ୍ତ ଧୂଳିକୁ ଧୋଇକି ପୋଛି ନେଇଗଲା. What? Tears. And that is the end of the dispute. And with this is the end of the story. The village judge, written by Prem Chand, the popular Hindi novelist. Now let's move for comprehension check. First question is, Sauji had not paid Algu for the bullock. When Algu asked for the money, did Sauji pay him? Why not? Sauji had not paid Algu for the bullock. When Algu asked for the money, Sauji did not pay it. Rather, he and his wife told that Algu had sold them a dying bullock. That is why the bullock died an untimely death. Question number 2. A Pancha was called again. Who was the judge this time? Yes, A Poncho was called again. Juman was the judge this time. What was the decision of the Poncho? The decision of the Poncho was that Sahuji ought to pay the full price of the bullock because the bullock died of neglect, and the bullock was overdriven and was not given proper food and water and also care. There were two unexpected judgments in the story. Which one surprised you more? Yes, in this story there are two unexpected. There were two unexpected judgments in the story. The second judgment given by Juman, the Pancha or the judge, surprises more, because Juman had become enemy of Algu Chaudhary after Algu Chaudhary had given the decision. Algu Chaudhary had expected that Juman would go against him, but instead of becoming it, Juman gave the right judgment and it went in favor of it, and it was unexpected for Algu Chaudhary and for anyone. So anyway, next, which character did you like the best in the story? Yes, in this story I like the character of Juman. Juman had grown hostile. Juman had become enemy to Algu for having for the decision he received from Algu. But when the turn came for Juman to be the Pancha or judge, he realized that a God himself sits in a Pancha's voice and says the right thing. Next, grocery. Let's have grocery. Trust. Trust means Vishwasa, to have faith in. Pursued, convince, जनକୁ प्रवर्ताइबा, बुझेबा, समझे काम करिबा. Deception, प्रतारणा, प्रवचना, misleading, being deceived. Next, fodder, food for animals, पशु खाद्य. Mortal, which must die or cannot live forever, क्षयशील, मरणशील, mortal. So that is the end of the story, the village judge. We will have short questions and answers in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.